Hey, this is James, the unofficial mayor of Cowboy Country. We are here in beautiful Dallas, Texas, doing an update on SMU's construction. Here comes Karen. That woman glared at me. I'm like, I'm just doing my job, lady. Mind your business. Well, we're working hard, even though it's a federal holiday. So I'm going to try to go over yonder and get a better shot. As you see, the walls are starting to take shape. Insulation is always important, you know. Oh, thank God for the shade. Of course, the last time I was here, it was so much warmer. It was almost 100 degrees that day. Funny thing is that this weekend, I did La Tech. La Tech was the team that SMU played that weekend. Oh, this side's definitely looking good. I don't see any bricks yet. The key is the word yet. I'll probably come down like the week before Thanksgiving, or come up, I should say. The next time I'll be here, you know, probably in a month or so. Shoot, I hate it when they play music like that. I guess they're about to start practice or something. I love see how that corner is tan? How it matches the main building? That's pretty cool. I ever got this stuff. These, I guess, are some of the people that donated to improve the stadium before. Ryan, Nancy, Hunt. I guess my understanding is that, for a long time, I guess they must have played their games at the Cotton Bowl until they built this place. Gerald Ford was a member of the Board of Trustees. Not the president, Gerald J. Ford. Mar Hunt. Clear tote. That's what I thought. A lot of places are going to a clear bag policy. Every team in the Big 12 has got a big clear bag policy. So I'm gonna have to walk all the way around just to get back to my car. Wait a minute. Wonder if the men's room is open. Sorry, folks. I need it. Oh well. That's what happens when you get older and you drink a whole lot of tea. I love how they incorporate the D from Dallas in their logo. I love that. Quiet, I got in the stadium. Well, I managed to get a good shot from the inside. Thank God for that. But I'm gonna go walk around, head back to the car. I always park over by the bookstore. So, but they've made some good progress since I was here last time. That's always a good thing. And okay. I have no doubt in my mind, once the construction on this place is done, this place is going to look amazing. I mean, I'll give you an example. Here, look at their soccer and track facilities. That's gorgeous. If they can make that end zone on the outside look as good as that, this place is going to look amazing. So I have no doubt in my mind this is going to be a fantastic facility, and it'll be just as good as any other facility in the ACC. And so, I mean, look at this video board. As one former president would say, it's huge. It's a joke. It's fun. All right. Like I said, I'm happy for SMU. So happy they're going to be in a major conference. And I wish them nothing but success in the future. Hey, if anybody knows about getting punished by the NCAA, it's Oklahoma State and it's SMU. So I'm glad that they've made their comeback. So if you are new to the channel, please hit like and subscribe. Don't forget to go back and look at some of the other things that I've done over the weekend. The stadiums in Arkansas, Memphis, and then in Louisiana. I was surprised. Of all of them, the one I liked the most was La Tech. La Tech looked really good. But they're like a lot of the smaller schools. They really need to do on the non-club and suite side like they did on the club and suite side. If they would do that, that place would look amazing. So anyway, from the bottom of my heart, I want to say thank you for watching. I know this channel would not have grown if it wasn't for you. So I hope you have a great week. And as much as I like the Mustangs and have nothing but respect for them, I am an OSU Cowboy. So I was in the video with Go Pokes.